Welcome back to the Zen Tech YouTube channel. This topic is what is health insurance? Health insurance is a content between a company and a consumer. The company agrees to pay all or some of the insured payment after monthly premium. The contract is usually a 1 year agreement during which the insurer will be responsible for paying specific expenses related to illness, injury, pregnancy, or preventative care. The contract is usually agreement during which the insurer will be responsible for paying specific expenses related to illness, injury, pregnancy, or preventative care. Health insurance agreement in the US generally come with exceptions to coverage including a deductible that requires the customers to pay certain health care costs out of pocket up to maximum amount before the company covers begins one or more co-payments that require the customers to pay a set of the costs for specific services or products. Health insurance pays most medical and surgical expenses and preventive care costs incurred by the insured person in return for a monthly premium payment. Generally, the higher the monthly premium is, the lower the out-of-pocket costs are the insured. Virtually all insurance plans have deductibles and so pays, but these out of pocket expenses are now capped by federal law. Since 2010, the Affordable Care Act has prohibited insurance companies from denying coverage to patients with pre-existing conditions and has allowed children to remain on their parents' insurance plan until they reach the age of 26.2.3. Medicare, Medical, and the what how health insurance works in the United States. In the United States, health insurance is tricky to navigate. With due respect, I beg to say that I have an urgent work at my home, so I cannot attend my class today. Therefore, request kindly grant me one day leave. This is topic for health insurance. Health insurance, this is the biggest and amazing, and this is a workout topic from YouTube videos. This is the highest and Zabardast topic from the YouTube company. This is the increasing and unlimited dollars from this video. In the United States, health insurance is tricky to navigate. It is a business with a number of regional and national competitors whose coverage, pricing, and availability whose coverage, pricing, and availability vary from state to state and even by country. This video was by complete. So next video coming soon. Take care.